Constitution as instrument of socio-economic change. The constitution of a country reflects the hopes and aspirations of the people. As these hopes and aspirations keep on changing with the development of the society, there is always a provision for amendment of the constitution so that it may be able to keep pace with the growing aspirations of the people. The framers of the Indian constitution were fully conscious of this fact and made the constitution flexible enough to enable it to change according to the times. The framers of the constitution also incorporated numerous provisions to ensure socio-economic justice to the people and to make India's independence more meaningful. These provisions are contained in the preamble as well as the chapters on fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. The preamble commits the country to be ideal of a welfare state and aims at ensuring socio-economic justice to the people. The fundamental rights protects the citizens against arbitrary state action. The citizens have been guaranteed right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights and right to constitutional remedies. The directive principles direct the state to promote the welfare of the people by securing a social order in which justice, social, economic and political shall prevail. The Constitution also pays special attention to the betterment of the conditions of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other socially and economically backward sections of the society. Despite these specific provisions, the government encountered difficulties in the attainment of social and economic justice. It therefore resorted to constitutional amendments to overcome the obstacles. The very first amendment to the Constitution was carried out in 1951 to overcome the problems which arose in the wake of enactment of several Land Reform Acts and Zamindari Abolition Acts. The amendment added IX schedule to the Constitution and placed 13 laws in the schedule. These laws could not be challenged by the court on the ground that they violated certain provisions of the Constitution. It also permitted the state to make special provision for the advancement of socially and educationally backward classes of citizens. This amendment encouraged the governments of several states to go ahead with fresh land reform acts.